Meaning of eardrum.
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 Eardrum. The eardrum is a thin, circular membrane that separates the outer ear from the middle ear. It has 3 layers and is located at the end of the ear canal. Its main function is to vibrate in response to sound waves entering the ear, which then transmits these vibrations to the tiny bones in the middle ear. This process ultimately leads to the generation of nerve impulses that the brain interprets as sound. In essence, the eardrum serves as a crucial component of the auditory system, enabling us to hear sounds and communicate with others.